Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today we will be looking at the COSTWAY Twin Tub, known for its larger capacity and powerful washing capabilities, and the portable washing machine, a compact and affordable option perfect for small spaces. Let's dive into their features and see which one suits your needs best. The COSTWAY Twin Tub boasts a total washing capacity of 26 pounds, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller items like delicates and baby clothes. If you often wash larger quantities, the COSTWAY might be the better choice. When it comes to power, the COSTWAY Twin Tub features a robust motor with 280 watts for washing and 140 watts for spinning, ensuring efficient cleaning and drying. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a less powerful motor, which may not handle larger loads as effectively. For those who prioritize washing performance, the COSTWAY stands out. In terms of design, the COSTWAY Twin Tub is bulkier and heavier, weighing nearly 39 pounds, which may be less convenient for some users. Conversely, the portable washing machine is lightweight at just 4.65 pounds, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. If space is a concern, the portable washing machine offers a more practical solution. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is perfect for those needing a larger capacity and more power, while the portable washing machine is an excellent choice for those with limited space and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.